Hi, this is Sara Murray from the Razorleaf Corporation. In a previous post, we covered how to set up your Autodesk PLM 360 tenant to clone an item to a specific state in a workflow. If your organization makes use of the additional owners field and your business requires it to be cloned as well, you will need to add a field in the item details configuration and also use some action scripts in order to get the additional owners cloned. Again, the built-in clone function cannot do this. First, you will need a visible only on edit field on the item details page to hold the descriptor of the original item. You can call the field something like custom cloned from and make it a single selection linked pick list to the same workspace. Also make it editable equal false. This is because you will only be using it briefly during the script run and you don't want users to put any data in there. Now, if you already have an on-demand action script to custom clone an item, you can update it with what you need to clone the additional owners. Otherwise, you can create one that includes these elements. Clone the item and populate the item details fields. Include setting the custom cloned from field in the new item to the original item. Because you have set the custom cloned from field in the new item to the original item, you will next be able to build an onCreate action script that reads the additional owner data from the original item and fills it into the created item. The action script calls the copy owners of cloned from function, which lives in a library script. See the accompanying website article for code that you can easily copy and paste. Thanks to 𝙤𝙀𝘼𝙍𝙍 for this approach and the code to access the master data. Back in the onCreate action script, after the copy owners of cloned from function is called, item.customClonedFrom is set to null, so that if this new item is the basis for a standard clone, the subsequent cloned item will not contain incorrect data in this field. Finally, you would set the onCreate action script in the behaviors of the workspace. Now when a user clicks on the on-demand script to custom clone for additional owners, we see that the resulting item does indeed include the additional owners of the original item. Either alone or combined with cloning to a certain workflow state, being able to clone additional owners can help avoid mistakes and make things easier for you or your users, thus making it more fun to play the game. If you would like assistance with your Autodesk PLM 360 implementation, or have questions about the information presented here, please feel free to contact us. We would welcome the conversation.